Are you frustrated with iMessage not working properly? Are your bubbled messages suddenly turning green, failing to deliver, or appearing out of order? If you're wondering why is the iMessage not working and how to fix it, we're here to help. iMessage requires a data connection to function properly, so please ensure that you have a stable cellular connection or Wi-Fi signal. You can also quickly perform a search in Safari to verify the status of your network connection. Here are the fixes. Fix 1. Restart your iPhone or use airplane mode to toggle on and off the aerials to find a stronger signal. Fix 2. Reset your network settings by tapping Settings, General, and Reset. Fix 3. If you still can't connect, just press the message and hold on to choose Send as text message when prompted. This should work even with a GPRS connection. Make sure iMessage is on and set up correctly. Go to Settings, Messages, and check that iMessage is turned on. If you see a message suggesting that iMessage is waiting for activation, then activate it by going to Settings, Messages, and restarting it. If there is no message about activation, check if your phone is set up correctly to receive iMessages. Check the addresses and mobile numbers you have listed in Send and Receive. If your iMessage is not up to date, it might cause issues. To check for updates, navigate to Settings, General, Software Update. If an updated version is available, you can download and install it. In case you encounter any other issues that prevent you from using iMessage, for example, if you see an error message when activating a message, you can consider the following troubleshooting methods. Fix 1. Check if iMessage is deactivated in Settings, Messages. Fix 2. Toggle off/on messages in Settings, Messages. Then restart your iPhone. Fix 3. Contact your mobile network provider for further assistance if needed. Be aware that activation may take up to 24 hours. Sometimes, iMessages can be accidentally deleted or lost due to a system crash. In this case, the third-party tool, FonePaw iPhone Data Recovery can help you recover any permanently deleted data directly without backup or covering existing information. Click it and have a try. Install and run FonePaw iPhone Data Recovery. Connect your iPhone to your computer via cable. Click Recover from iOS device. After your iPhone is detected, click Start Scan and it will start searching for deleted data for you. Here, all data is listed by categories. Tick on Messages to preview iMessages and select what you want to recover. After selection, tap the Recover button to retrieve deleted iMessages. If you find our video helpful, please give us a big thumbs up. Want to know more about recovering data from iPhone? Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.